welcome. Here I've got Vivo Y52 5G, and let me show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open advanced camera settings. Here at the third position we have mirrorless selfie option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And we have also short info from the device that this can mirror left or right when the front camera is used for photography and video shooting, so of course we have to remember that to make it work we have to change back camera to the front one by simply tapping on the right button. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.